Good day, all pet matters. Today we're going to talk about how to put a leash and collar to our dog, especially if we are going to introduce it to our puppy for the first time. Okay, so now we have a 2-month-old puppy as a model. Okay, so now we're going to put this collar to the neck of the puppy. Okay, that. So we just need to give allowance like this one so that it will not loose. Okay, so maybe we're going to tighten up a little bit. Okay, like that. Okay, so there's 3 parts in the neck wherein we can put our collar. Okay, by the way, there's another thing that they use, body harness that is being used for the puppy. Okay, but in this video we're going to talk about the collar, okay, and leash, and later we're going to walk the puppy, okay, by introducing also the puppy treats. Okay, so now there's 3 points we need to tackle, okay, regarding the puppy's neck. Okay, first we going to put here on top, here, this place, like here, so the puppy will always look like that, as you can see in a dog show. Okay, like that. Okay, second, in the middle. Okay, some dog owners put this accidentally in the middle here, in the dog choke. Okay, like that. So we're not going to put our collar on the middle. And the last is the bottom part of the neck here. Okay, this is where the puppy or the dog is going to pull us. Okay, because he's not going to choke. Okay, so the best way is to put the collar here on top. Okay, so you will just need to put a little pressure for the dog to walk. Of course, if the dog is on his or her first time, he will be hesitant to walk using the collar and leash. So what we're going to do is introduce some puppy dog treats for her to walk. Okay, so we're going to transfer on the ground. So now we're going to introduce dog treats to our puppy. Okay, so she will use to the leash and collar. Okay, so we're going to introduce the dog treat. Okay, Peter is her siblings, so she won't get stressed. Okay, so now there's the dog treats. Okay, she's eating the dog treats. Okay, come here. Good, good. her nose so that she will walk. Okay? Come here. Good girl. So that's the idea. We learned the puppy using the dog treats. Okay? We put the dog treats below, and then she's going to walk. Okay? Come here. Hey, good girl. Come here. So she will get used to this. Okay? Girl. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.